guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anamika Priyadarshini and she is my sister Ankita Priyadarshini.
Hello guys, welcome back to her channel.
And today's video is about shopping haul. So we have recently shopped a few products from Ajio, Zara and H&M. We have shopped mainly footwear and few clothes from these brands. So she's going to show her favorite products and I'm going to show mine. And she's making video for the first time, so be generous to her and let's see how she describes the product and how I describe the product.
Let's show.
Product and she is going to describe.
This is my favorite heels. This is from Zara and this was on sale. हमने ये लिया है 1300 approx, but ये 1990 का है.
Great. Okay, this is the second product and we bought this from H&M. This one is for $14.99 and this was on fresh. This is not on sale and I really love the color and that's why I bought it.
This is my second favorite heels and this is so classy. आप इसको ethnic wear पे भी पहन सकते हो, western wear पे भी पहन सकते हो and this is very affordable. ये only 2300 का है.
2300 is very affordable. कहाँ से?
Because
Anyways,
this is so classy.
Okay, according to the heels, like quality and everything, the price point is very good. And this we ordered from H&M and this was on and this was and this was on fresh. This was not on sale. This was from their fresh collection and this is, guys, very nice. I really love this and you should totally go for this. You won't regret. And now this is the fourth footwear. This we ordered from Ajio. We have ordered actually I think 3 or 4 footwear from Ajio. So I really love this transparent strap over here and this is like light pink in color. It's like transparent but a tint of pink in this. And the heels, it is also very comfortable. I think it is 1.5 or 2 inches I guess. And this one I bought on sale. It is for $21.99 and
और
I
मुझे
think
तो इसके heels बहुत पसंद है.
and I think we bought this for around 800 or 1000 rupees.
This is the fifth one. इसके स्क्वायर फिनिश मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सी और इसके स्ट्रैप भी बहुत क्लासी हैं एंड इसके हील्स भी बहुत पसंद है मुझे. और इस पे ये टेक्सचर ये जो टेक्सचर है ना, ये टेक्सचर भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. एंड दिस वन इज फॉर 2500 sorry.
2500 and I think we bought it for I think 1000 or 1200 rupees and this one is quite worth it. This looks damn classy. And this is the last one and sixth one. We ordered 6 footwears and as you can see this is neon in color and neon is trending so much right now and it has transparent strap with neon tint and again it has like a square finish. I really love the texture also of this leather I mean fall leather
and heels also.
And one more thing, this is again for 2500 and we bought this for I think 1000 or 800 or 1200. I don't remember actually.
इसने order किया है.
Now let's come to clothes and we have ordered very few clothes. Mainly we had ordered footwear जिसमें से इसका एक भी footwear नहीं है. She ordered jeans for 2 jeans order किया है इसने और she is going to describe why she liked those jeans and I have ordered like 2-3 skirts for me.
I have ordered the jeans और इसके pockets और इसके पैनलिंग मुझे बहुत पसंद है. यार मुझे ढक दो. और ये 2000 का है. मैंने इसे 800 में लिया है from Ajio.
And I have ordered this skirt from Ajio and this is a pencil skirt और यहाँ पे there is gather and not detail which I really loved. I really love the print and color of this skirt.
And then this is the second jeans that I have ordered. And this is ripped denim जो कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
She really loved this torn detail and this is flare denim. ये कौन बताएगा?
तुम. एंड दिस इज़ फॉर 2000 रुपीज़ और इसे मैंने 800 या 1000 में किया है.
क्या किया है ऑर्डर? कहाँ से किया है?
आजियो से किया है.
And now again I have ordered one more skirt. This is a long skirt with पकड़ो, with this asymmetrical with this asymmetrical hem. I really love the hem of this skirt, that's why I ordered it. And this skirt was for around I think 700 or 800 and original price is 1799 and I bought this from Ajio again.
दिस इज़ अगेन माई फेवरेट और ये बहुत क्यूट है. इसमें रफल डिटेल्स बहुत अच्छा है और ये कलर बहुत क्यूट है.
Even I love this color, that's why I ordered this. और ये है 1300 as in 1299 का and this was again for I think 500-600 I guess. But ये मुझे थोड़ा loose है, so I think I will get it altered or maybe I will exchange this. Hope you guys like the video,
स्पेशली मी.
especially her. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe
लाइक
and
एंड कमेंट.
comment. Bye.